located just outside of our main gate.
Thank you so much, appreciate it.
Guys, we're back at Knott's Berry Farm again. So I didn't think this was possible. I didn't think this was going to happen.
I don't think I've ever been. I think I said this once before. I'm gonna say it again. I don't think I've ever been to Knott's so much in my entire life.
We've never been to Knott's so much in a single calendar year, for sure.
Ever.
But surprised, they just basically said, you know what? Screw it. We're just going to open Knott's. We're just going to let you guys come in and have fun and buy stuff. Now we thought it was just going to be the marketplace down there in the old in the ghost town, but really it looks like everything is open. I mean, these shops that we're looking at right here are all open.
I am definitely in the mood to do some Christmas shopping.
Yes.
I definitely need to buy some stuff for my friends.
That's what we're here for. We're here to do a little Christmas shopping and just, again, to soak up the Knott's energy. And if we're lucky, we'll time it right so we can get to see the actual tree lighting ceremony, which is at 5:15. We've missed it the first 2 times. And it's pretty magical, that tree lighting ceremony. So let's go to Knott's FreshBaked. Yeah, so we just walked the length of the ghost town here, and everything that would be open during regular business hours is open right now in terms of shops. The only thing that's not open are the food, the vending, the food, I should say. Even the general store. I mean, literally the whole place is open. They just opened Knott's Berry Farm.
That's good. We just can't eat, and it really sucks because I could go for a funnel cake right about now because I'm starving.
Is there like a maybe? Can you get a funnel cake outside in the marketplace?
No, I don't know. Well, there's a Starbucks though.
They don't have funnel cake though.
No, but I can do a coffee.
Look at that Santa. Can I go home with a Santa? Why do I always want the things I can't buy? Never mind this stuff. What about him? And what's up with make your own slime? What does that mean?
I don't know, but I feel like Susie would like.
Oh, we're Christmas shopping. I forgot, huh?
These are really nice beanies.
Yeah, these all look like they're homemade.
And look at that would fit her head.
I don't know.
The cute gold bow.
You know, I just have a feeling I'm just gonna walk around and film Knott's, like the scenic aesthetic of Knott's, because this is like the best chance we'll ever have of seeing it in this condition. Just free and uncluttered. Knott's Berry Farm is beautiful. So it's a beanie with pom-poms.
It's
And a
really
little Christmas
pretty.
ornament.
Now, does it come with the Christmas ornament? Because that's kind of cute.
Does it detach?
It does.
Okay.
But I don't want to take it off.
But it does come up.
It does come off.
It does come off, yeah, it's just a clip.
Does it come all together, or is it? Oh.
They've got a blue one too. This one has reindeer antlers on it. Oh, I like this one a lot.
So Bridget wanted a bracelet, and me and Katie have bracelet from here.
Okay, you gotta tell Bridget not to watch this video now.
Yeah, okay. If she does, Bridget, Merry Christmas. I'm buying you a
Merry Christmas,
bracelet.
Bridget.
And I think I want a blue one. I think I like the teal. Or I like the green. I think I like the green.
That
I know
looks
I'm
like
picking
a
up every
donut.
bracelet though.
Check out my little ninja back here. She's got her foot up. She's just living her best life in that stroller, having a good time.
You having a good time?
She's in kickback mode. Oh, what I wouldn't give for a little fireman's barbecue right now.
I'm starving.
Dude, some corn and a reindeer lemonade.
A reindeer.
Yeah, the Rudolph lemonade with the pear lemonade. That was really good. Let's go to the Overland gift gun shop. I need to buy a gun rack. Let's go to the gun shop. Yeah, I've been dying to come in here for a long time just to see if they've got actual guns in here, and they do. Look at that. Never mind. Never mind. Look at that, a bunch of old bullets. Paul Bunyan's pistol cartridge. That's humorous.
I think they're pretty
Liz
good.
found some
Actually,
crafty soaps.
oh, yum. They're pretty healthy snacks, so like she can go crazy.
Is that a My Little Pony on there? Hydrating hair and body mist. Ooh. She's gonna go browsing for soaps. Browsing for soaps, FreshBaked. It's all happening. What's that?
No, it's body butter.
Body butter.
Oh my gosh! Oh, it's so pepperminty.
Oh.
There you go. So she has that.
Whipped body butter. Okay.
That's really nice. How much is the body butter? $15.
Yes.
And there's the soap, Sweet Love, Aloe, Cherry, ooh, bamboo. They have coffee cappuccino. I want to eat the soap, but don't, because we're not allowed to eat anything while we're here. Even if it's sweet potato or smart fruit. Found a little nut stand. I tell you what, I'm starving too, so looking at these nuts and knowing we can't eat them.
On our website, miss, you'll be able to see
Butter toffee, Irish cream liqueur, eggnog.
and we do ship them nationwide.
There you go, guys. A little QR code for you if you fancy yourself some homemade nuts. You know, I often talk about buying local, buying small. This is the kind of thing we're talking about. If you guys like nuts, go check out their website. Is it Instagram?
The beauty of all these nuts, you know, they're not a really bad snack to snack on.
No, they're good for you. They're healthy. I just can't eat any right now. I would probably eat 12 bags of those.
If we were allowed to walk around and eat, I would get a bag and go
I want that in a lemonade.
Yeah.
Give me a lemonade and some
Stop.
fresh roasted and glazed nuts. Apple spice peak. I mean, come on. Eggnog liqueur. Oh my. And they've even got some little gift bags. They've nominally priced Taster's gift pack is $16. You get 4 2-ounce packages or pouches. That's pretty cool. Get yourself some nuts from these kind people. I was hoping we could walk through here and walk past the log ride, but they've fenced it off. This is the picnic bench graveyard because nobody can eat here, so they just have to park all those benches here, but that would have been nice to walk through here. You know, when Knott's finally reopens for good, for real, we're gonna get to ride Knott's Berry Tales Return to the Fair. I'm excited for that. It's a proper dark ride.
I've never done it, ever.
Nobody has.
So it is a new ride. Oh, that's right.
Yeah,
that's right.
it's a
Okay.
proper dark ride.
I thought it was
though.
like a it was revamped or something.
I like that they've got some purple gifts out here, some Boysen colored gifts. Everything is very purple. I love it. Oh, the lights just went on. Well, that was lovely. Everywhere I look, though, I see food. Food! This is so torturous. Everywhere I look, I'm seeing popcorn and candied nuts and burgers and coffees that we can't eat or drink. Ay. Look at purple.
We live in right now.
Oh, the things we take for granted, like eating.
Oh my gosh, totally.
Well, FreshBaked, it's been a lovely evening so far here at Knott's Berry Farm, getting to do a little shopping, a little Christmas shopping. We've got everything done that we wanted to do. We've taken a lovely tour of the park and gotten some really neat photos and images for the show. I've really enjoyed this kind of peaceful appreciation of Knott's Berry Farm. The only thing we have left to do is to catch the tree lighting ceremony here in just a little bit, although the tree looks pretty well lit at the moment, so I'm not sure what more we're gonna get, but we'll stay tuned for that and then call it a night.
Charity and mercy. It is the tenderness for the past, the courage for the present, and the hope for the future. Like the star that shone above Bethlehem, announcing the light of the world, let the spirit of Christmas always and forever shine brightly within our hearts.
So that's the thing. So not so much a tree lighting ceremony as like a dedication, I guess. That was kind of, I mean, it's the thing we saw in our last trip that we didn't know we were seeing when we were trying out that food for the Fireman's Barbecue, which sounds delicious. I want some Fireman's Barbecue. Anyway, that's your tree lighting ceremony. And that's our show for this evening. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time, guys. We love you very much. Go be kind to somebody today and wish somebody a Merry Christmas. We love you, and we'll see you next time. FreshBaked.